Clear? Clear or not? We have Rumaiza, Jabbar, and Riaz. Riaz, you were absent in last class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. So before going to the new topic, I have a surprise test for you guys. And the question is this first question is this, and second question is the next one. Everyone first try to solve this. Are you able to do it? This is surprise test. Rumeza, this question is solvable for you guys. Do it if within 5 minutes, okay? Jabbar, Jabbar,
Yes,
are you able to do this?
yes, sir.
And Riaz, are you also trying? So what's the
Yes, sir.
problem? Why not you guys are uh, opening your video? For girls, it's use, but for boys, okay, if you're stuck anywhere, let me know. Rumaiza, you got solution? What happened? No solution.
Sir, finding.
Anyone got solution? Rumaiza? It's really tough question, right?
Sir,
Yes,
first
sir.
you have to find acceleration rate.
Sorry.
First you have to find acceleration rate.
First, did you find?
No, sir, I forgot acceleration.
Okay, so what about Riaz? Did you solve? Did you get the solution?
No, sir.
What about Rumeza? Did you get the solution?
No, sir.
So be ready for surprise test. Okay, we almost completed the chapters. So these are the given information, right? These are the given informations, and we know the relations. V is equal to U plus 80. V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, or S is equal to UT plus half of AT square. These three relation we are aware of, right? So we are having U, V, and T. U, V, and T. We have to find acceleration in this case. So we will be using V is equal to U plus AT, right? So what we will do, we will just substitute the value. And it is said that final velocity is 0, initial velocity is 150 meter per second, plus we have to calculate this A, and we have given time 0.03. So we may write it as 3 by 100, right? 3 by 100. Clear? Clear or not? Clear till this step?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, so what I will do, I will take this one side. So it is 150 equal to A into 3 upon 100. So now again, I will do the next step. So it will be minus 150, and this 100 will go up a stair, this will come down, and this will be A. Right. So somebody can tell me how much you will get answer. Tell me the value of this equation. What will be the value of A? This calculation you guys have to do. Okay, I want, this is the simplest equation. You are in a standard 9.
5,000, sir. Sir, 5,000.
That's good. Or minus you have taken, huh? Right? So what is the next question? What we have to calculate actually?
Distance.
So for that we can use this formula. So the next I'm writing over here, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, right? So V is 0, U is 150 square plus 2A is minus 5,000 and S we have to calculate. What we have to calculate? S is given, na? S is given. S is given 10 gram, itna, and come to rest in 3 seconds. Okay, okay, okay. Come to rest in 3 seconds. Come to rest in 3 seconds. So we can use this as well. Okay, no problem. This is S. We have to calculate this S. So what I will do, I will take this 150 this side. This is a square. And this is minus 2 into 1000. This is 5000. Na? So 2 into 5000 into this S. So this will be 150 minus 2 minus cancel into 150 divided by 2 into 5000. This is S. So now do this calculation. Now do this calculation. How much you get? How much you get? Avani, you are too late. Today we are having surprise test. And this is the question. Try to solve this. This is one of the question of the two questions. Second question will be follow.
Sir, is it 2.25?
Yeah, of course. Good. 2.25. 2.25. 2.25, right? This is S and it is in meter, right? This distance is in meter. So can we find this using S is equal to UT plus half of AT square? Can you do this? Now, if you will use this Jabana, if you will use this formula, you will also get 2.25. Try just substitute the values and get it. You will get the same result.
Yes, sir.
So how you guys are doing? You are not revising. No revision. You just come to a screen. Avani, did you get the solution?
No, sir, still doing.
Okay. These are very important questions. Okay. So Jabbar, you got the result for this equation. S is equal to ut plus half of it square.
Still doing, sir, little bit.
Okay, okay, do.
$6.75, sir.
Same na? Yeah.
6.75.
No, no, no. It will come the same. What is
Yes.
u? 150 meter per second. 150. What time we calculated? Is 3 by 100, right? 3 by 100. Minus 1 by 2. A is 5,000, right?
Sir, it's minus.
Because A is minus, na?
Ah, yes, sir.
Okay, so that was your mistake, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then 3 by 100, because T is 3 by 100, so 3 by 100. You will find the same answer. With the both relation, the result will be same. That's the beauty, na?
Yes, sir.
Now repeat the calculation. See, I can do the calculation within 1 minute, but then you guys won't learn the step.
Yes, sir.
So do yourself.
Okay, sir.
Rumeza and Riaz, what about you?
Yes, I'm doing.
Okay. You guys took half an hour to solve this question. How you will do in exams?
Yes, sir, I got the answer. Sir, I added that to this thing, so that's all.
Okay. So for you, we have another question. This one. Okay. So this is question number A. This is question number B. Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, C and D is the same, right?
Retardation caused by the wooden block and resistive force. So in C, you have to calculate the acceleration, right? In D, you have to calculate the force. In this way, this is different.
Sir, I forgot the momentum.
So momentum is nothing but P is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to mass into velocity. Mass into velocity, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, the final velocity is 0, right?
So you know the answer for B, right?
Yes, sir, I'll calculate right.
Hmm. So for B, you can directly say what is it? Okay, for C and D, you
Sir,
have to,
2000.
yeah. The C is the same as we calculated the first part of A, first part in the first question.
Sir, what is the difference between initial and final?
Initial means when you start calculation. Okay. So here the situation is this bullet. Suppose this is a wooden block, right? This is a wooden block. This is a wooden block. I don't know how I made this wooden block. It's a 3D wooden block, not 1D, right? So we have a gun and we just fire a bullet. So we said that it is having some velocity. When this penetrate this, it covers some distance and stop. So when this is first observation, V1, and this is the V2 observation. So V1 observation is the VU, that is initial velocity, and final, this V2 is V, that final velocity, right?
Easy. Final.
Got the difference? So
Sir,
finally
final.
it stops. So we already know
Sir,
what is the value of V2.
sir, it's 0.
Yeah, of course, because it stops. It's strike a wooden block and comes to rest. Rumaza, Avani, Riaz, you guys are sleepy. So it means you are just faking with yourself. Avani, did you get the answer? First question.
Sir, retardation will get a negative value, right?
Yeah, of course. Retardation means negative. As you apply brakes now, if you are riding a bicycle and you apply brakes, so what happens? You stop the cycles stop now. So that's only because of retardation.
Sir, can you
The
show
same
the
concept will be used for the bicycle or some car. Okay, someone is driving car at a particular speeds and he suddenly apply the brake for 5 seconds or 10 seconds and he covers 10-meter distance. So the same question or same concept will be applied there. Yeah, you were asking something, Jabbar?
Sir, can you show the three formulas of motion?
Okay,
Zero.
okay.
Yes, sir, thank you, sir.
Okay. Write it down and keep in the pocket. It is very useful. You have hardly 5 minutes. Solve this question within 5 minutes. This will be same. V is equal to U plus 80 and this will be F is equal to MA. That's it.
Sir, For the we can use v square minus u square equal to 2s.
For what?
The
Acha,
finding
time is not given.
this one.
A bullet move itna and strike itna wooden block and come rest after 2 centimeter. Yes, yes, yes. The time is not given, so we can't use. Then v square is equal to u square plus
Sir, I got
2
2000.
as. So here v, u, and s we are given. So we will be getting how much you got the acceleration?
Sir, 2500.
2000.
500.
2000. Acha, 2000. 2000, 2500. This much?
Yes, sir.
Maybe I don't remember. So none of your friend is doing na. So how can we verify it? So all of you. So using this, we will be calculating the force. Can I do the calculation or it's okay?
Sir, you do the calculation.
Okay, so this V is 0, so this is 0. U is 100 meter square, right? So 100 meter square plus 2. A is at, and this is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter is nothing but 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, right? So we are converting everything into SI unit. 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay,
Sir, I
just
didn't do that process.
sorry.
Sir, I didn't convert it.
Get you. Will you repeat? Sorry.
Sir, I didn't convert it into meters.
So it won't be the true. Okay,
Okay,
because
sir.
we have to convert. You have to convert this in kilogram as well.
Yes, sir.
Meter. Acha, if you may leave it. Okay, but it is meter in second, na? It is meter in second, and this is in centimeter. So this is in gram. So everything should be kilogram, meter, second. Okay, yeah, gram, centimeter, second. So these are the things to be keep in mind. If the unit is
Sir,
not in order, so answer will always be incorrect. So what I will do, I will take this 2a into 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 one side, and this will be minus 100 square. So in doing so, a will be nothing but I will write minus 100 into minus 100 minus 100 into 100 divided by 2 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this is minus 100 into 100. This 10 to the power minus 2 will come upside and it will become 100. This is only 4. So this will be 25. So 25 into 10 raised to the power 4 meter per second square. So it means that the resistive power of that wooden block is too much. So now you can verify Jabbar your calculation again in the light of this calculation. And so force will be mass time acceleration. That's it. This is resistive force, resistive force. So it will be huge. Avani, Rumaza, Riaz.
Yes, sir, I didn't get this question. That's why I didn't do it. I was doing the answer was wrong though.
Okay, so now you got the solution.
Yes, sir.
You understand the process.
Understood.
Okay, so
Minus 25 into 10 is the
okay. So now keep in mind, okay, such type of questions is important when you are studying the physics. can write it down, write the steps if possible. So this answer is not true. Okay, I'm just crossing it. Okay. It it should take 2 more 0. So this is the not true. You got the screenshot of questions and solution.
It's very good.
So this is question. Okay, now come to the today's agenda. Today's agenda is we have to study the work and energy, right? So it is too late. I thought you guys will be completing the question in 2, 3, hardly in 5, 10 minutes, but you almost took the 45 minutes. But still you are with solution. So today I will only define the work and will leave energy for the next day. We'll give the mathematical formula for the work and we'll discuss introduction tomorrow. So what is work? Work is if you apply a force on an object and that results a displacement S. So product of these two, the product of applied force and the corresponding and the resultant or corresponding displacement and corresponding displacement is called what force? FORC force, then called work or work done. Work done. So if we will write it, the work done W is equal to F force into displacement. Clear? We are applying force F and the displacement is S, so it will be F time S. Clear? So if it is clear, then this is the question for you. Then tell me what is the work done. Tell me the work done.
Yes, sir.
Done. Work done is force is 5 Newton
Yes,
and
sir.
displacement is 2 meters. So it is 10 Newton meter, right? This is the work. And work done is work done. To do some work, energy. Energy. What is energy? What is energy? The ability of doing some work. The ability to perform work, right? As you guys do all the day, operating the mobile phone, watching the shorts, and say, oh, I'm working. That's the definition of work. That's because you have the ability. So energy, that energy, if this is Newton meter, work is in Newton meter, and energy will be having an energy unit is joule. So doing this work, we have to invest 10 joule of energy. Any doubt? Any doubt? This is very,
No, sir, no doubt.
it is very peaceful class, okay? And I don't know how you guys are behaving in your physical class, but here you guys are completely silent. Riaz hardly speaks. Jabbar responds. Avani 2 responds. Rumeza 2 responds, but Riaz hardly responds. So this is the work and energy. So next time we will be learning about the conservation of energy or further thing. So today I have to stop over here. If you have any questions or anything to ask, you may ask. You have 5 minutes. You may ask.
Sir, formula of density.
Formula of density. Density is mass per unit volume. Density. Okay. This is mass divided by volume. Okay. So suppose you have a block. This is made up of iron, right? This is iron, iron. And the same amount of block is made up of mud. It's dry mud. It's mud. Okay. So we know the iron will be having more mass than the mass of mud. Clear? And we say that they having the same ages, A. So volume of this is also A cube and volume of this mud is also A cube. So if you will see, mass is the mass of this iron rod will be suppose 10 kilogram, but this mud of block of mud might be having 2 kilogram. So now you substitute the value over there and just do the density of, I am writing density and in bracket iron. This is what 10 kg divided by A cube and density mud. This is 2 kg divided by A cube, right? So if you will take the ratio of these two, so density of rod density of iron divided by density of mud. So this is 10 divided by a cube, and this is 2 divided by a cube, right? So now solve it. 10 over a cube. This is 2 divided by a cube, right? A cube to a cube cancel. This is 5. 5. So further, if I will write, then density of iron will be become 5 times density of what? Mud, right? Got the answer?
Sir,
Got the concept?
yes, sir. Sir, how to know if this thing like a question, sir? If
So
there is
in
like a
question,
volume, sir, if there is like volume and mass of an object,
uh-huh.
how will you know if it will float or sink in
Okay.
water?
To do that, suppose density of suppose now let me get the data. Density of water. What is density of water? Density of water. WATR, water. And density of ice. So we know that density of ice is less than the density of water, right? Are you aware of this truth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm giving you one data from Google. Just from Google. It is visible. Okay, this is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we see that the water has a density of 1 gram per milliliter, right? ml is the volume. ml is the volume and gram is the mass. Similarly, that the density of ice is 0.09, 0.91 gram per ml is the volume, right? And this is 1 gram. So, okay. So water is heavier and ice is lighter. If you will compare with iron and mud. So those who have lighter density will stay above the larger density. So water has the larger density, so it will come down, and ice has lower density, so it will float of the water. So it means that this is water and this is ice cube. This will float over the surface, right? This will be floating on the surface. It won't sink. These are the ice block. These are the ice. Clear?
Yes.
Clear or not? So similarly, the water vapor has 0.0 gram milliliter. Okay, this is quite different from other materials. So that's why it always ये air से भी ऊपर it just blow over the air. So that's the reason. Any doubt? Doubt is clear? Did you get rid of your doubt, Jabbar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so write down these data. I think this is the important to understand.
But sir, in some question they don't give the density of water.
Because it's standard, okay? So density of water you have to keep in mind.
Okay, sir.
Clear? This is the constant. The density of ice they will provide you, but density of water you have to keep in mind. Is 1 unit is the unit 1 gram liter per milliliter. So you may change to gram in 1000. 1 gram is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram, and 1 milliliter is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 liter, right? Something like that. I'm not sure. Kindly check. So I'm just omitting it. So these are the standard data. So you have to keep in mind. Anything else?